This ain't a joke, boys. This ain't a joke. People, never take your life for granted, people, man. People might always want to live outside of the UK, but you've got to realise, man, these are the things that are going on. My man's just lost his whole house, man. Overnight. Yeah, it was emotional, man, serious. Look at that, man, his car's gone. Yard gone. It's a sad day, man. Every single year though, people, man, this is every single year. And the government refused to even lift a finger on it, man. It's peak. Look at the destruction it leaves behind, man. It even reached on this side. Destruction on destruction, man. Oh my god. Oh, for fuck's sake, man. It's emotional, man. The smell, people, man, you can obviously go, it just smells burnt. I'm just here just making sure if anyone's stuck, anyone needs help, I'm here to help them, man. But I'm just showing you, people, don't ever take things for granted, people, because one day is here, one day is not. Oh, look at the flames. You gotta remember, people, this was an inferno. About 6 hours ago, this was a pure inferno. Absolute flames. And I gotta be careful, just in case the things are still lit. Wow. Just done some late fire pudding, mate, you know what we do? Fuck yeah! We're here to save the universe, people. We've got a plane going over there, I don't think you can see it. Come on, man, looks good. We're out here saving the world. Oh, shit, my pants in, brother! Oi! I thought something was coming behind me, bro. They're off to go get some more water now. They're going to fill up, and then they're going to come back and obviously keep fucking soaking the earth. I've done all I can, boys. I've done all I can. I went round the perimeter. If it does get any worse, I come back up here. But I've got a little bit of petrol left, and to be honest, I'm not risking my life on 2 bars of petrol up in this mountain when it's on fire. I've seen many films. I've seen that Australian one before, and when I was in prison, and that's not me mush. It's not happening to me mush. I'll stay on this cannon with half a tank of petrol and get out here. There's nothing more I can do. I put out some fucking fires that are just making a start again. If you ever go and look at the news, man, the fucking fires here are terrible. Oh, you cunt. This ain't a joke, boys. This ain't a joke. Yes, people, it's a bit of a serious one today. I'm back in Portugal, and it's quite an emotional one, I'm not gonna lie. I've just recorded about 3 minutes worth of footage of this wildfires. This place yesterday was an inferno. There's burnt out cars, there's burnt out everything. It's people's livelihood, man. So never ever take things for granted, people, yeah? When people say, I want to move out to the UK, I want to move out to the UK, yo, these guys have just been burnt alive, mate. Finish. Look at that. Finish, mate. Yesterday this was a pure inferno. Obviously I've come here to see if anyone needs help.
see if anyone needs help anywhere. You okay, brother? Yeah, man, he's fine, man. He's looked after his dogs. He's had I don't know what he's done there, people, but he's kept his land pretty safe there. Look at it, people. The devastation, man. Burned. The wildlife, the scenery, the greenery. It's burnt to a crisp, man. And every year, like I said, man, the government just let it happen. There's no drastic measures being made to even change all this. It's just left for the people to suffer. And it's starting to be really annoying for the people of Portugal, man, because every single year nothing changes. Do you know what I mean? The destruction it leaves behind is unreal, man. The damage on the ozone layer and the ecosystem alone is concerning. Do you know what I mean? It is concerning, man. Destroyed, man. It's emotional, people, man. Trust me, it gets emotional. Every single year this is, man. Every single fucking year, man. Last year was bad. This year's even worse, I think. You got the helicopters over there trying to put the fires out. I don't know if you can see them in the distance, just above the it's coming over here now. Absolutely destroyed. There's people live in these houses on these dirt roads. People don't realise. People live on these dirt roads. And there's your helicopter there, much. Going to save the mans. Obviously, like I said, I'm just here to help my hand, to offer my helping hand, because, like I said, all of the firefighters, I'm sure all of the firefighters here, or if not most, are all volunteers. They don't get paid for it. They're just doing it out of the love of well, just being helpful and having to help the community when needed, I suppose. Destruction on destruction. I still don't understand how the pylons haven't got one bit of dust or mark on them. Smoke. Heartbreaking, man. Oh, there's the planes here, look, Mush. What's these planes doing now, Mush? These fucking planes, they're going right off it now, Mush. They're still going in on it, man. See, there's one just started over there, people. The free helicopter, look at that, man. It's fucking nuts, boys, man. Serious. My fucking goosebumps are right up there. I don't know if you can see the smoke over there. But it means the wildfires are still going, people, man. They're circling the area now. They're the ones that fill up all the water. They fill up on the water, they fly through a river, and they go straight back to the point, man. It's caught fire again. It's the wind. It's the wind, man. Every time it gets windier, it gets fucking messier, people. But listen, I'm gonna fucking try and get there as quick as I can now, because it looks like it's gonna start back up again. So I'm gonna go see if anyone's there needing my...
Brrr, get up, you already know who it is. The Welsh Chava, Luna's balls, rougher than a sniper's elbow mush. Now my name's Louis Vuitton, now get on.
Taz, why you feel so hoe? I love it when you come closer.
Pick up the Irish crew, the Welsh crew inside, the Scottish crew inside, you already know who it is. Get up.
When you come closer.